Hello team. So today I'm come with a booking management solution. So this is a bus booking management solution which we are going to show you. Okay. So just seconds. Let me clear all the details for you. Just allow me 1 second. Yeah. So this is the front end. So your user can easily log in here. They can cancel ticket. For that they just need to log in once, then they can cancel as well. If they want to book, then they select a start point, end point, then they will select the date, then fleet type, and they can find if any bus or any vehicle which we had registered here, if any there, then that data will come here, and then we can book that. Okay. Now let me change and then search. So see, so you can change any route according to your requirement. So here you can check how much passengers we have, how much fleet we have, to this trip which how much we done. This is automatic calculated. So whenever any complete, then the data will automatically update it. You can share your customers view, contact, you can check your inquiry, or you can manage your rating as well. So this is the front end. After that, let me show you the admin panels. So this is the dashboard. Here you can check booking, reports, account transactions. You can check here. You can check your yearly progress bar. Here you can check your today's trip or inquiry. In account section, you can check the account list. Here you can create multiple accounts. Here you can manage your transaction. You can add income or expenses. After that, bank information, so you can add your bank. After that, we have a fleet. So first we add fleet type. So here we can add multiple fleet type, like 2x2 fleet, bus, how much seats we have, how much layout we have, like that. Let me show you how we are adding type as well. So here you can add type. After that, we have a fleet facility. So here we can add facility as well. After that, we will add vehicles. So here we will check the vehicle's name. Here we can add vehicle as well. Here you need to add data. Here we add fleet type, engine and chassis number, owner details and all. So fleet will be added. After that, in a fitness list, you can add that what you want to add. Here you can add your period. After that, this is the offer list. So here you can run offer. If any inquiry is there, whenever user raise any inquiry from front end, that data will come here. After that, website, so you can edit your website. This is you can change. You can change any logo, time zones. Here you can set up your payment gateway as well. Let me show you just a second. So we are using PayPal for this. You can set up your key and then it will be work for you. Okay, so Google Map you can set up and all. You can manage it. Email configuration, so we are already using SMTP for email. You can update. Here you can check your ticket offer. After that, we have a trip management. So which destination we are using for our trip. Here you can add multiple destinations. Then route. Here you can manage route as well. So which route we have enable or disable, or we add. So that route will come here. So what is, you can create multiple route as well. After that, you can schedule. You can manage trip, or you can create multiple trip. Like we select type, then route, what is the schedule, active, and what is the weekend, and then we can add. Okay, after that, assign. So we can assign vehicle to trip. We can check that, or here close trip we can manage that. After that, we have an agent list. So here you can check agent list, or if you want to add any agent, then you can create agent. You can set up agent commission, or you can give ID password to them for other booking. Okay. After that, price. So here you can set up price, like what here you will get route, or you can set up price. For price, you need to add name, vehicle, price, children price, special price, and all. You can manage that. In HR, you can manage your employee type, or here you can add multiple employees. Here you can check employee list. After that, reports. So here you can check booking, assign, and all reports. So here you can manage your tickets. So here you can add your passenger. This is a manually adding passenger data. So whenever you want to add any passenger manually, then you can add. That data will come here. Then you can check. If you click on a plus option, then you can view, edit, or delete that user. This is the booking information, so you can manage booking information. Here you can check how to use payment terms, refund, feedback and all. After that we have a users, so here you can check user list, image, username, email ID, about, last login, last logout and all. You can manage that. Okay. After that, here you can check user list, role permissions. So here you can make multiple roles, like staff. For a staff you can create role and you can give permission to them. With those permission they can manage these solutions. Here you can get permission setups. Here you can add multiple languages as well. In which language you want to work, here you can set up your own languages. Here you can change other things. Okay, after that some messages we have, so you can manage the messages. If you want to send any message, then you can select user and then you can send. So we already show you the complete demo. So if you have any other query or if you want to check briefly, then let me know. You can connect with us. We will help you in that. Thank you. Have a good day.